Good morning.
Hey everyone. We're here at Farthings in Cambridge and yeah.
It looks like Christmas.
But it's not Christmas yet.
No, it's not Christmas, but this is just to show you the stunning range of wedding boxes that we've got. The wedding dresses are put inside the box and it's laid with acid-free paper to protect the dress, to stop it from going off colour, and they look beautiful.
Yeah, they're made in the UK as well. Yeah, every box is specially made in order for the orders.
We've got this size. This is the biggest size box. This is really good if you've got a headdress or a train. And you could put your shoes in there as well. But this one is the shoe box.
Yeah,
this
it
is the shoe box one. But
this one's more the standard, the traditional, usually for just smaller wedding dress. But what our clients, what they do as well, they like to take a bigger box and then they can put the shoes, everything that's related to the wedding, so they've got everything all together.
So it's used as a memory box as well, so that's really beautiful.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
So yes, if you
now we have to fill the boxes.
Yes, with all the wedding dress we have. So if you've got any any questions, or if you want any advice on how to preserve a wedding dress, come and see us on 143 Milton Road in Cambridge, and we'll help you.
We will.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day. Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye.